Coming to oils, there are few oils that actually don't penetrate your hair shafts. Do you know that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello, it's me Pragya. I would really like if you join my glam squad by hitting that red subscribe button down below. And also today I'm going to be doing a very interesting video and I'm really going to send you a lot of bucks. Yes, today's video is going to be about hair spa. In salon, hair spa is going to cost you around 800 to 2000 bucks, but I'm gonna be doing it at 500 only. Yes, the effort would be mine, and also if you want to do it yourself, the effort would be yours, but you're gonna get the most amazing and really like a professional hair spa. Hair spa is actually kind of treating a way more larger scale of problems like dandruff, clearing your hair scalp, excess of oils, controlling the excess oils, and removing all the dirts and grimes from your scalp, giving you a very relaxed hair and also making you feel the best. So it actually targets in a very different way. I am going to be talking all about that. So this is what I just wanted to clear before I start off with the procedure. I have done a little bit of research about hair oiling and I wanted to know which hair oils actually penetrates deep into your hair shafts and make your hair look way more nourished. Now hair oils which has big molecular size actually doesn't penetrate underneath your hair shafts. It just kind of stays on top as a coating. But hair oils which has smaller molecular size actually penetrates deep under the hair shafts of your single hair, giving you more nourishment, more food to your hair. Coconut oil, next is grapeseed oil, avocado oil, argan oil. These four oils have smaller molecular size, so they penetrate deep under your hair layers. Now obviously I'm talking pure coconut oil, pure avocado oil, or pure argan oil. So this is the avocado oil I use for my hair before my spa. This is from Indulgio Essentials. This is the pure avocado oil and it is priced at $350. With this avocado oil, I also like to go in with my vitamin E capsule, which is really good for your hair nourishment. I use this two combination overnight and apply it into my hair. After applying to my hair, I leave it overnight and let it really seep into my strands, and then I wash it off in next day. It's a very basic one, but I'm really enjoying the combination of this two. It is really giving that nourishment to my hair. So the next day I wash off my hair with this Biotique BioGreen Apple Fresh Daily Purifying Shampoo and conditioner for oily scalp. I love this one whenever I oil my hair. As you can see, I have used quite a lot. It has not much product as I've shaked, so it's like layered, but I really like this shampoo. Like every time I oil my hair, I use this shampoo. There are other shampoos I also like, but especially when I oil my hair, I make sure I use this one. It makes my scalp squeaky clean, which I really like, and that's why I really love this shampoo. And it is very affordable. It is priced at around, can you see the price? So it is priced at $99, but I really love it. It is spa I'm going to be using. It contains 500 ml of, and hair spa should be done twice a month depending on your hair condition, but it should be done twice a month. And I got to know that from a professional, like a salon professional. Yeah, let's just make it ready. So I have this clear ball. I'll just put it here. This is how the mask looks like. It's very rich, it's very creamy, it's very thick, so let's cook it up. So I take almost around 3 spoons of it, like 3 big spoons, and with that I kind of mix a serum. This is the Job's hair serum and it has argan oil, it has grapeseed oil, it has very good oils in it, almond oil, olive oil. So usually in salon they kind of mix their own serum, but I don't have, so I'm just gonna put 2 to 3 drops of just this much. if you don't want to add serum on it, it's completely fine. You don't have to. So after this is done, we have separated our hair. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start applying it. I'm gonna apply it with my fingers, dude. It's very easy to apply and it's pretty convenient to apply. So now what you gotta do is that now take the spa cream and take like small sections, like small chunky sections, and then apply the cream generously into the strands like this. So our main target is to make sure that our mask is actually coating every single strands in our hair. So that's the main reason why we need to take like small sections like that and kind of apply slowly and generously. Also in the ends. Now when you're using a hair spa, you don't have to actually rinse your hair with a shampoo. Like when I will wash this off, I will just run a good amount of water and that's it, and then I will just air dry my hair so that the nourishment is still there in my hair. How many times you should do a hair spa? Now it totally depends on your hair type. Now I have a very damaged hair. I have a damaged hair, though I haven't done any coloring or any of that, but still I have damaged hair because of the amount of heat I use. Every time I sit to film, I do either curls or I do either straightening. So by some way or the other, I am actually damaging my hair. After doing hair spa, how long does the hair spa last? Now this is a very common question I think people usually have. So now a hair spa lasts for around 15 days depending on how much torture you do to your hair. Simple. Now if you're using too much of heat, you're going too much out, you're giving too much of sun exposure, your hair spa will last for around 10 days, not more than that. So now our application is completely done and we need to wait. So now I've just kept my hair in a plastic bag so that the heat coming out from my scalp is actually kind of making the product go and penetrate deep into the hair shafts, making my hair more smooth and manageable. So now I'm just gonna wait for around 30 minutes and I'll be back, and I'll just do a hot towel for around 10 minutes and then we will wash this off. So it has been more than 20 to 30 minutes. I just went and had my lunch. It is really afternoon, it's 2:30 right now. So yeah, that's it, and I'll be back in a minute. So I've finally washed my hair. I have just wrapped the t-shirt I was wearing. I am so tired. This is the final result. I really love my hair right now. It is so frizz-free, so manageable. Like I don't even need to straighten my hair. It is pretty much feeling sleek and straight. Obviously not that Brazilian straight hair, but still it is feeling very straight. After doing hair spa, you should not wash your hair the next 2 to 3 days because you need to let that spark and the nourishment stay on your hair a bit more longer. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you liked it. Now I'm really in a hurry. I need to catch up my friends and we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, see ya, love you guys.